Hey guys, what is going on? Today we have a brand new product from a brand new company I've never tried before. It is Limitless Car Care out of New York. Chris over there contacted me and said, hey, would you like to try some of our stuff from Limitless Car Care? I said, sure. Actually, until about 1 or 2 subscribers even mentioned Limitless, I hadn't even heard of them. So I take it they're probably a little bit of a smaller company, but that's cool. I love smaller companies because they usually work a lot harder on their products to make them a lot better than try and make 20 of the exact same products like other companies out there. So what we're gonna be doing today is for my very first try is gonna be the Cockpit Care interior dressing with UV protectants. Of course, that's big here in Florida. As a matter of fact, my friend from Oklahoma just today wrote me it was only 20-something degrees, and I showed him a link. It's 81 already in Florida, which means 90 is right around the corner, and I definitely need that UV protectant. So as you can see, I got my little son in there. He's all playing around with everything, and I'm sure you guys get it messy too when you have your children or your pets, whatever. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the interior of the GTR. So I'm gonna bring the camera around the other side, show you as close as I can. We'll wipe it down, I'll show you the results. It's gonna be shiny, not shiny, whatever, and you guys come along with me. Thank you very much, Limitless Car Care, for sending this to me. I really do appreciate it, Chris. Let's go ahead and try them out for the first time. All right, welcome to inside the interior of the GTR. Let's go ahead and read off the directions and go from there. So the directions: shake well, spray onto a Limitless grime grabber, microfiber towel, or directly onto the surface to be dressed. Wipe surface until even coverage is achieved to eliminate uneven spots or a lower shine if desired by a buffing at the end, basically, is what it tells me to do. So what we're going to do is going to go ahead and spray it directly onto a microfiber towel. I don't have the Limitless grabber that they're talking about. I just use microfiber towels, and we're going to go ahead and go from there. So here we go. Let's go ahead and do it. Just let you know that GTR is a little bit of a grainier surface here, so it's not like really shiny like it is per se on my Prelude over there, or here where it's a nice flat leathery type surface. So we're going to spray directly onto the microfiber towel and go from there. Now, if you want to do it on the doors or somewhere else, you can spray directly onto it, but I'd never recommend spraying any product directly onto the dash because you're going to get overspray, which is then going to hit your actual windshield, and it's going to cause all kinds of problems. So let's go ahead and get ready. All right, here we go. Just going to go ahead and shake the sucker up. Prime it up, we're ready to go. Like I said, I've never used this product before. Let's go ahead and try it out. Smell wise, ooh, it's I don't know how to explain it. It's almost, I don't know what to say, medicine-y belly. It kind of smells like a little bit of a medicine scent to it right quick. Not a bad medicine scent, but I don't know, that's exactly what hit my mind. Whenever it comes to scents, you know, your mind automatically throws you back to times like that in the past where you've smelled that before, and that's exactly when I smell it, is when, I don't know why, medicine. I mean, it doesn't smell bad by any means whatsoever, but it's what I just kind of think about when I go in through here. So what I'm seeing so far is, other than here on like the flat shine surface where I can get a little bit shiny, I'd say it's only a light to medium shine. That's about it. The rest of it's kind of like, especially up here, it's kind of a very, very weak shine, not very you know, bright or anything like that. So if you guys are kind of going for a spot where you want something super shiny, I would definitely avoid this kind of product. But for those guys who just like the natural look to it, and you know this is all, you can actually buff this away if you want to kind of tone it down even more than it already is, then this could be a very good product for you, especially you guys that are in the South like me, or out in California, Arizona, Texas, stuff like that, where you're going to get bad UV and you need some UV protection. This is the kind of product I would recommend if you don't want that nice of stuff. So what I'll do here is I'm just going to go ahead and finish off the rest of the GTR, but you can basically get an idea of what it is. And this is why it kind of gets a little bit dirty in here with my son, but it's okay. It's fun. It's great having them. So let me go ahead and finish it up, and I'll show you the final results. All right, time for those final results of the Limitless Car Care Cockpit Care. Let's go ahead and show you the actual slow walk around of the GTR. As you can see, especially on the grainy area up top, I'll try and get in there close. You can see there is zero shine to this whatsoever. The only shine I see is here on the flat, like leather soft touch area. And that's generally about it. You're not going to get much of a shine at all from this. So this will be perfect for a lot of you guys that do not like shine. Now I use it all through the armrest, all through here, the doors, absolutely everything I use it on. Just giving you guys a heads up. And of course I want that UV protection that we need here in Florida with the thing. But you can see here on the door panels and stuff like that, it actually is not shiny whatsoever. And it looks actually really good. So what I was trying to get through my head was what this actually smells like the whole time. Maybe like an aloe vera or something smell to it. I just can't 100% place it. Maybe Chris up there at Limitless Car Care can let us know. But overall, great job. Like I said, even if you didn't really want this higher of a shine or anything like that, he said you can actually buff it out and go from there. So anyways, I'm sorry about Nathan hanging in there with us. He's having a lot of fun with us today. And I appreciate it, Chris and Limitless Car Care, for hooking me up with this. I'll be trying out a lot of your stuff here in the future. Take care.